Hi everyone, today we're going to make a pair of earrings using these light blue and white crystals. And let's get started. This will be a simple little pair that anybody can make. Use any kind of crystals you have, and these are spacers. And you don't have to use spacers if you don't want to. I think it just makes them look a little classier. It adds something to them. To me, it might not to everybody, but to me, I think it looks better. And I'll show you the difference. That's what it would look like without them, and that's what it looks like with them. Just adds something to me. But, I mean, that plain is, if you like plain, that's good. That's what it's going to look like. We'll go up about that far. Yeah. We're going to cut it. So I try to do the same on this one. I use my thumb for measure. So it's probably a little more than a ½ inch. Alright. Might need to cut more out of it. I think we do. I was just guessing. Probably needed a ½ inch long. Whew. Let me cut this one off before I even start. Oh, there I've knocked some of the color off of it from using it so many times, because it's plated. You're going to get marks on it. It's just not avoidable. I mean, you minimize them as much as you can, but there. Alright. That's what they're going to look like. I might change out that ear wire later. Alright, take it, open it up like that, you twist it, and you take it, put it on, twist it back, get it as tight to that wire as you can, so your loop don't come out. twist it open. Twist it back. And there we go. Pretty little elegant pair. To wear out. Yeah, thanks for watching. Really appreciate y'all watching and sticking it out to the end and liking and subscribing. That really helps me out. And until next time, y'all take care out there. Oh, and my art is on a different channel. It's a Useful Life art. And we also have one where we're cutting gemstones. And it's a Useful Life Rocks. So if you want to, check them out. Subscribe. We don't have many on the rock one yet, but I hope to have some more up there soon. Y'all take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.